You can expect a lot from the 2021 Buick Encore. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.